Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life with My Wife, and happy
Brr, Saturday.
Yep,
Wow.
It is cold.
We had, what, 2-3 days where it warmed up, and then it plummeted right back down to minus 25.
And we had a blizzard yesterday. It didn't accumulate to a lot, but the blowing was bad and the wind chill was bad.
Yeah.
And the amount of accidents. So we have what they call the perimeter highway, and it literally is a circle all the way around the city. That was closed. You couldn't go in or out. All the highways leading like down to the North Dakota border, like all those outskirts.
Well, everything outside the city
was closed. Yeah. And there was some nasty wrecks. I think one said 40 plus cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they were interviewing a man that his wife had called and said, "I'm in the wreck, come and get me." And her pickup truck was, I can't remember if it was nose up or butt up between two semi trucks. And she was fine.
Yeah.
The paramedics helped her out and she walked home with her
good.
husband.
Yeah.
Yeah. But she was lucky.
And the funny thing is, we didn't get a lot of snow.
No.
It was the wind.
Yeah.
We had wind gusts up to 100 kilometers.
And complete whiteouts.
Yeah.
Complete whiteouts.
Like you can see, part of the yard drifted in, part did not. Some of the sidewalks did not.
Yeah.
But that's how, bad the wind was. So when I get home, I'm gonna snow blow the driveway out for Len and Dorothy.
Yeah.
But I'm not doing anything else. I won't.
No, it's too
Because
cold.
some of it hasn't blown in, some has blown in.
But it's too cold.
Okay, dear. Sorry.
I love the cold. I love the cold. I really do.
I dress warm when I snowboard.
Yeah,
so
you dress appropriate. We dress appropriate.
I'm not cold, but it's still a little windy. It is cold. I mean, yes.
Yeah.
I won't disagree with you. It is cold. Because that wind, matter of fact.
We're just waiting for the car to heat up to go.
Well, for the windshields to.
Yeah. Yeah, like Dorothy come over on Monday and Wednesday to craft, and we filmed a bunch of videos, and then she stayed home the rest of the week too because it was cold.
Minus 25 feels like minus 39.
That's Celsius. Yep.
Yes. Well, one more minus, and it doesn't matter.
Minus 40 is minus 40, whether it's Fahrenheit or Celsius. Yeah.
But,
yeah.
And I think minus 25 is about minus 10, I think.
Here, I can look on my phone because I have the Fahrenheit. It says minus 13 feels like minus 38.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit.
So
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. So there you are.
The windshield is
good.
Somewhat good to go.
So today, we're gonna go to G&L again because it's
Sorry,
been...
I gotta go.
Yeah. He's gotta get a little bit of ice off the. It's just. It's cold. Anyways, we're gonna go to G&L. We haven't been for a month or two, so we're gonna go there. And we're gonna go to Dollarama because I have those Valentine's Advent boxes to fill, and next week we're gonna deliver them to a couple little kids in the in the area. Yeah. So friends of ours that when they go to Thunder Bay, they bring us Persian donuts back, and when we go, we bring them back. So Hannah was telling me that she took the last out of her freezer last week.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
All right.
So, all right. Ready?
Not really, but it's gonna go back in the house. Oh yeah. Yes.
It's you that likes to go out for breakfast.
I know, but when it's honestly, it's like this, you want to get out of bed.
Oh boy. All right. We'll catch back up. You never know. We had a complete blizzard yesterday. Like, because it's not a lot of accumulation, but that's what happens when you live in the prairies.
Normal snow, but just the wind was
Yeah.
absolutely horrendous.
This road here was impassable. The ladies at the restaurant said they couldn't even see out the windows.
Yeah. Well, because you can see it's open through
Yeah.
there.
And there was an accident up here involving 2 vehicles. Now when we went,
Well, there could have been more.
there could have been more.
We don't know. But you can. Yeah, there's one spot up here that gets really bad all the time because, like you can see, it's open through here. It's the only downfall with living in an area that's so. There it is.
Yeah.
That's no pointed out that way, so yeah, they can see it better there.
You can see right there. Those 2.
The problem when you live in an area that's so high in farmland, they cut all the trees down for the fields. There's nothing to block the wind.
Like you can see the wind blowing the little bit of snow there.
Oh, you know what? Back in southern Ontario, 402.
The same way.
The same way.
Yeah.
Because it's all farmland through there, and there's hardly any trees along that road.
Yeah.
It's just like this.
Yeah.
Wide open. So when the wind gets blowing,
Yeah.
it gets really bad. We're coming up beside ourselves, except for I think that's black, right?
I think so. Yep. I know a couple people said, "Oh, you got a black car." I said, "No, it's dark gray."
No.
It is dark gray.
I can't remember the name of the color. It's a specific gray.
Yeah.
I always forget the name of it.
Anyway. Yeah, so just wanted to show you that strip there where it just is complete whiteouts and they have to close the highway. Brody, say hello. See, nope, I gotta figure out where my TRAT is. It's somewhere, I know it is.
No.
Oh, goodness. What a
All
bird.
right.
So, we got some good deals.
Okay. We'll start with the Dollarama.
$1.
Because she needed this. And she needed it. Now, this is not going to stay like that. I'll guarantee
No,
you.
and actually, you know what I'm going to do with it? Something totally different.
Yeah.
I'm going to paint it, and I'm going to make it, I'm going to put May at the top, family down, established.
Right.
Because we don't have a nice sign like that.
No.
Yeah.
We have our box out front, but
Yeah.
it's severely faded. So both these were $5.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Okay. And then
So we went to Dollarama to get treats to stuff the Valentine's Add that.
So I'm gonna tell you the grand total there was $43.12 because I may not find everything on here that I want, but Lay's chips were $3.50.
Cheesy garlic bread. Hannah said they've been around for a while. I've never seen them.
Okay, so those are just like notepads. So I'm just.
No, they're not. They're scented stickers.
Well, whatever. I don't really. I personally don't care what they are. I'm just showing them to you. Some fruit snacks. They were $2. Some markers. They were $2. A lot of these things have prices on them. $1.25. Chocolate hearts. Oh, an extra bag. Some kind of ring candy, $1.50. Erasers, $2.
And I asked the mom of these kids if we could film them, and she said yes.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
So everybody will be able to see their fun little faces when they get their treats.
Couple of different necklaces. They were $3.25.
I'm gonna take them out of the package so they'll fit in the little box.
These were $1.25. Scented dough.
Play-Doh. Yeah.
Play-Doh, $2.50. Some pens are $1.50.
Scented. I miss buying these kind of things for our kids when they're
And
little.
then faux po, however you want to pronounce it. Noodles that Kelly likes to have. She got 2 of those.
Yeah.
So. Okay. All right. Superstore. Hi, buddy. Actually, before I go to the superstore, somebody this morning decided that stop licking the meat. Good thing it's covered, but stop licking it. Stop. Somebody decided to want to hide today.
Yeah. He
Not
always
going.
goes in his own kennel when we.
But
Today he was like, nope.
when I went upstairs for my shower, he was waiting for me at the bottom of the stairs. And when I come down, instead of him coming in the living room or anything, he went and hid underneath the cabinet that's out in the hallway. Like, it was kind of like, you can't see me. But,
Yep.
yeah, he was really reluctant to go in today. But, I know, buddy, he's just, you do naughty things when you're left out. Okay.
You need a bath and a haircut, dude.
So I picked up some pad thai and butter chicken. Got 2 of these each for Kelly and I. They're $4 a piece.
I don't like the butter chicken.
Well, I didn't ask for your opinion on that. She feels the same way as I feel about fish. She doesn't,
Yeah.
you know. Okay, stop. Stop. Creamer was $3.75. Makes me laugh. The big 1 liter is $3.75. The 500 ml, which is a half liter, $3.10. Where's the common sense in that? Like, you would figure the half mil would be like $1.75.
Mm-hmm.
It just does not make sense.
Yep.
Anyways, the salad. There it is. It was $4. So it threw me off because those were $4. And I'm like, man, did I not scan the salad? Now this was the big find. Oh. And these were on sale for $2.99 a pound. They are huge.
They, I didn't realize in the flyer that they were going to be that thick.
21.14, and there's 8 huge ones. And they're thick, so if they're thick enough, we can put a slit in them.
And do
we
stuffed
can
pork
stuff
chops.
Pork chops.
Oh, like we do like a cornbread kind of stuffing.
Yeah.
Oh.
I just have to cover that because I don't have time to deal with all this meat today. I have to do it tomorrow because I got to get out and snow blow out the driveway so Len and Dorothy can get in. But yeah, great deal on pork, $2.99 a pound. That is a very good deal, at least for us in Canada.
Oh yeah.
Well, even some places in the States, I've noticed lately that certain areas of the States, their groceries are the same as our, like, identical price.
Yeah.
Now, if we converted that, it would be more expensive. Like, I don't know where it was, $5.18 for a dozen eggs.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Okay, $44.89.
On somebody's channel, I saw that.
Total, yeah. Well, I just seen it on a video somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. FreshCo. They had some good deals. The celery was $2.49. The cherries were on. Oh no, bell peppers were on for $3.99. But you had to pick them over because there were some that were small and some were big. So I tried to get the biggest ones. And then the home fries were $2.57. And the big deal they were $3.99 a pound, something like that. So these cherries. So I didn't get a lot because I don't eat them, unfortunately, because they really spike my sugars really bad. And they were $3.43. Because I would sit down and eat the entire thing.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, chicken.
Look at your kid over there on the couch.
He's feeling a little frisky. He does that when he takes the doggy out of his cage. Okay, we got chicken. They were $10 a pack. You get 4. So they're 8 for $20. And then the Pepsi was on, or the Diet Dr. Pepper Zero was on. It was $1.02 off. So. And most places have it for $6.89 right now. I seen a video, TikTok, I can't remember, this girl that lives in Vancouver. She can't find Diet Dr. Pepper or Dr. Pepper Zero anywhere. I think maybe she was on the island, Victoria. Yeah, and she was truly doubting people that it existed in Canada. And everybody's like, yeah, Dr. Pepper Zero.
Wow.
So I don't know why. It's just that particular area or something.
That's weird.
She's got to go over to the States to get it.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. And then we actually got quite a bit at G&L today. They had some pretty good deals. We used to buy this bacon a lot. Then I stopped buying it because honestly, it's not really wasn't really worth the money by the time it cooks and shrinks down. But
you got it at a better price.
I got it at a better price. So it was $7.99. And now I'm cooking a lot of the bacon in the oven now too, which it cooks the bacon a little better, I think. And it's less stinky in the house, the mess and everything else. So that was $7.99 for the bacon. Those were $1.99. These are not for Kelly and I.
Well, every time we go to GNL, we always pick up
Yes.
cereals for Dorothy's kids, grandkids.
Now, these were $2.99. And then these were $3.49.
Yeah. So we always every time
we always
go.
pick them up. Okay, the chicken bowls were $3.98. These power bowls, we got 2 of them. Something new, Kelly, to try. Roast beef was $3.49, which you'd pay upwards to $6-7 for those in the store. The honey was $2.79.
Honey ham.
Honey ham. Well, I said honey, didn't I? Honey ham. I think people can see that it's ham. That was, sorry, buddy, $2.79 and $2.99 for the turkey breast. Okay. Lots of sticks. They were $5.99. Now, the deal of the day.
Oh.
This product is $8.99 at Solby Safeway that carries this cheese. We've got it $3.99, half, like more than half price.
Yep.
For the Kerrygold Dubliner cheese. Now, I have to thank Caroline for getting my wife on it. Because it was actually Caroline that got Kelly on this. So this is now one of Kelly's favorite cheeses, and they have 3-4 different kinds. 3,
Something like that.
Something
that
like
we
that.
can. That's available to us.
That's
3.
available. Yeah, at the store. But so we were in at GNL, and Kelly called Caroline. She says, "Oh, you wouldn't believe the price on this. Look at it." And so we picked her 4 up, and we'll just throw them in the freezer. So we got 6 of them. They were $23.94 for 6.
2 for me and.
But 2 for Kelly, and 4 of them are going to Caroline. The Wild Whiskey Smoked Barbecue Rub. Got it for $5.99. Now it says best before April of this year.
But that's best before.
Yeah, and you said May, but it's not. When you see the wording BB/MA, that's best before, and
I
it
know.
is en français.
I know.
Not May of
I know.
2025. Anyways, so April, but it doesn't matter. It's powder.
It'll last a while.
It'll last quite a while. We'll still use it. It doesn't. Dry herbs don't spoil.
Not that fast.
No. They may lose their potency a little bit. Okay. The teriyaki grill, we got 2 of them. They were $1.99. I may have probably should have picked up more of those because they're good till 2026. But we'll probably do like chicken or pork, even pork.
BS chicken.
BS chicken. Oh no, sorry. Oh yeah, they were $1.99. So
Yeah.
these were $1. These were 99
cents each.
99 cents each. Yeah, these Clubhouse 1 teriyaki stir fry. Okay, the Fritos and the Munchies were 2 for 10.
I turned it up the right way, and you turned it up the wrong way.
Well, people just felt their head or something. the Hershey's. They were $2.49.
Never seen them.
Hi, buddy. The bagels were $2.59.
My favorite.
Which is a good price for bagels. Sorry, $3.59.
They're bacon, cheese, and tomato flavor.
Yeah. The bread was $2.99. And this was $1.99 for the garlic bread. The grand total was $101.51. That's it, buddy. See, stuff's getting so expensive. That's why we try.
You're not taking that cheese.
That's why we try and find deals now.
You need a haircut, dude. But it's so cold that really can't right yet.
Well, we can. He can't have a down all the way one.
How about tomorrow we give you a bath?
Are you trying to scare him?
Not today. Tomorrow. Not today.
Trying to make him angry? Oh, I know, buddy. Oh, I know.
Mommy said the B word.
It's okay. He's hilarious and he knows when we pick him up, we take his collar off, he'll start shaking.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't you, buddy?
All right.
But you need one. Look, you're on. It's
horrible.
And yeah, you need a haircut.
Daddy's giving you a bad hair day.
Okay, I really gotta go because I have to go get that driveway done. It won't take me long, but we got stuff I have to put away.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You watching Daddy? Yeah? Mama told him it was too cold to do it, but he says he has to. Yeah. You say, Daddy, it's too cold on the bum out there. Yeah. But yeah, Uncle Len wouldn't be able to get in with that big snow there. Yeah. Daddy always plows right there for you to have your playground, doesn't he? Yeah. Yeah. Tonight's supper is roast chicken, gravy, garlic red mash, and a salad. Oh, and cranberries. Num num num. Uh-huh. Can't wait to dig in. Yum yum.
Oh, let's go.
Well, you won't be out there long. You will not be out there long.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Nope, nope, nope.
No, he will not be out there long.
This is our temp right now in Fahrenheit.
You got that? Oh, you have it on right now?
That was Fahrenheit. People were asking what this is, Kevin. You want to just tell them what?
What?
It's Transamerica.
No, the app on your phone.
Well, it only do anybody any good if they have an iPhone.
Yeah, I know, but no, you can get it on a
not Kelly.
Not that one, but
exactly.
you can get
You cannot get this specific one.
No.
It's only available. It's called Chwazi. CHWAZI. Now you can.
And it just
Randomly chooses one.
Whoever's going first.
No way.
Yes, way.
Oh, I'm not used to that.
He's knocking already.
Oh, he's at the door.
Oh, yeah.
It goes out long
Cold out there, man.
Yeah. Our doggies will not face there.
Yeah, Molly won't even go out when it's this cold. She's like, forget it, I know how cold it is. And she'll get stuck in place and she won't move. And Ian will have to go get her. It's
Yeah.
so funny.
Yeah, trains.
Poor little thing. Well, she's so little.
Heidi would go out on the stoop, do her business, and come back in.
Aww.
And she had it worse because her belly touched the ground because she was a Dachshund and not gripping tall.
Well, Molly's not that tall. So.
Oh, I don't like that.
Molly's tiny.
Oh
Okay.
boy, oh boy. All right.
Oh, really?
Mm. Oh, really?
Oh, this is definitely going to be challenging.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What, buddy?
And you were first, Len.
Yeah, I
You
know.
had chicken for supper. You don't need a treat. If you're hungry, go eat your food, buddy. Okay?
Okay.
Smoke alarm is beeping again upstairs.
That's nice.
Well, I don't want to be that close to you.
Well, I don't want to be that close to you either.
Well, somehow I think I said that wrong. Well, we're spread all over.
Hi, Brody. Hello, frozen dog. Oh, you're not that cold. You weren't out long enough to get cold.
Oh, look at him in the middle of us all.
Trying to kiss butt.
Take me home
Okay, here we go.
to the place I belong, West Virginia.
There. And the one there.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Well, you're bugging me.
Go!
Why was that bugging me?
I don't know.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Did you buy a 9-volt battery by any chance?
No, I have one. I took one upstairs. I just didn't bother changing it.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Mhm.
Oh, it's your turn.
Oh, funny. Now, I must. And I will. Where am I going?
Crazy.
Oh, definitely. Definitely. So. Okay, I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go that way. Oh, Leonard has joined the realm. How nice of him.
Mm-hmm.
That was the right one.
Is it? Oh boy.
Okay.
I'm out.
Oh, shut up.
Done like dinner.
That was rude.
Washington, Chicago. Well, you guys all help. Where you went? Denver, El Paso, San Francisco.
6.
If looks could kill, I'd be 6 feet under.
I had to get to Winston. That's 2.
I needed to get
Winston is 2.
Yeah.
Is that all you had to get to?
Well, I got to Buffalo. I got
Yeah.
to Dallas.
Yeah.
I got to Salt Lake City, and I
Yeah.
got to Portland.
Okay, so 2.
Yep.
I got
I'm
to
green.
go to Seattle. One.
I'm green.
Well,
Oh, yeah. Sorry. And I had to go to one.
I had to get to Duluth, which is 2. And I had
How many?
2.
Oh, yeah. Right there. Yes, 1, 2. Okay.
And I had to get to Atlanta, which is 1.
So it's 3.
And I had to get to San Diego, which is another 3.
Ooh.
That'd be 6.
Shut up.
Oh, I was hoping to beat Kevin there. I was hoping to beat, because we only had 1 to go. You know,
I
like,
should have
Take
tried
ours.
harder.
should have tried hard. Well, yeah, how hard can I get? How hard can I get? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Like, I wasn't too sure. I thought he would be over here somewhere, but no, he had to be up here. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, at least I backdoored Kevin with the skip on 1.
That is true.
But when I saw Dorothy going up to that way, I went, oh, right on. Yeah. But then I had to connect here, and then that just...
Well, when you went up there, I'm like, yes, because that'll get me closer to Duluth and Boston.
Mm-hmm.
Clearly, I wasn't gonna know.
I had to get to Buffalo. So that's where I went.
Clearly.
I was 1 turn away from being finished. That's not so bad.
Just
So was
stop
I.
your bragging.
So was I. I
One
had
track short from a full railroad.
Yeah. I wouldn't have put it that way.
Oh, goodness.
Whoa, boy. I stepped into that one big time.
All right.
Well, that's what damage we have now.
Okay.
Oh, no way.
Oh, really? That again?
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not even funny.
This is gonna hurt.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Oh, yoy, yoy.
Where's that?
Oh, this is...
I thought Len was supposed to.
No,
Oh,
it's
No,
Kelly's turn now.
yeah, I
that
did
was
it.
last turn.
Nah, never mind.
He tossed it at you. I like that.
Well, it'll be her next time.
Oh, this is just bad. Can't make up your mind?
Yeah,
Oh,
I was
my
having a hard time.
Goodness.
I was having a hard time.
Yeah.
You went.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm gonna be glugging so fast.
Oh, you have no idea.
What? Did you go?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I was watching you make faces at him.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thinking.
I know, I can smell it.
keep losing where I'm going. Stop it. I am so screwed either way I go here. This is really crazy.
Oh boy.
Just do this. Make it 11. Well, that just sucks. Oh. Well, we two are gathered, and I need to go this way too. Where is it?
It's right there.
It's there. Okay.
It's so spread out. It is unreal.
Okay. My big move. That's all I can do.
He's taking advantage of my what I did to him. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would too. There we go. Oh, we're all joined now. Ooh. Okay.
I'm done. I've got Seattle, Oklahoma City, Houston, Minneapolis, and Charleston.
Well, I did LA, El Paso, Salt Lake City, and Elena. I had to get to Boston.
Oh!
5, 6. So I'll just go up here and join my lovely wife.
Go 5 for me.
I only needed to get to Winston, which is 1.
Ooh!
Oh. Oh. Wow.
That was pretty interesting. I thought I was hooped because I was
when I
all
saw
over
nobody,
the board.
When I saw nobody here, and I don't know how I was going to get there, and I went, oh, that was just brutal. Oh. Oh, Kevin's definitely out of there now.
Yeah, boom.
Yep.
Him and I are neck and neck. But this was nobody was here.
No,
No, nobody was going there.
no, but I needed to get to Minneapolis, which was a pain, and Kelly helped me a little
But
bit.
he was following along my footsteps because I needed to get to Oklahoma. I was going, oh man, that's a track.
Omaha?
Omaha, yeah. But still, yeah.
Oklahoma is
Yeah,
that
no,
way.
yeah. But still, I was going, oh.
I needed Oklahoma. I think. I can't remember. Wow.
was right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I needed
Oklahoma
to get
City
to
and Houston.
Omaha.
That's where I started. Because they were close together-ish. They were the closest together I had. That's about the bottom line there.
All right, you can
We can just do this
play
thing.
out the whole game.
Okay.
Oh, this one again?
Oh, I need the green.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is just as bad as the other one.
Yep.
Okay.
It is.
Oh.
I got that one.
This is awful. We're gonna be glugging.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Okay.
We're gonna be glugging.
Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Now I have to figure out where I'm going.
We can tell you.
Crazy! I'm going crazy. Never mind. Okay.
Kelly, why didn't you give me nicer ones?
Oh, I wish I would have given myself better ones.
Just going into Bismarck there.
That's not Bismarck. It's
That's
Winston.
Winston.
Winston, sorry.
Bismarck's
I knew what
over
I meant. Bleh.
Drop some.
here. Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Where are you headed?
I'm trying
Like he's gonna tell you?
give me a second. I was trying to figure what.
Which way to go?
Oh,
Yeah.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I'm just gonna go straight. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have a long journey.
Yeah, me too. And that's not a good one.
Where am I headed? Oh, okay. I'm going that way.
And you're all by yourself there.
I am all by myself. All by myself.
You all sound like you're drunk. Oh, man.
Hmm. So I can't move too far here because I got somebody laying on me
Aw.
as far as I can go. He's got his head on my leg. And he's comfy, okay? He's putting me to sleep. My turn? Alright, there we go. There, connected with Kevin. Keep rolling, you don't have to move your head. That's one there, I think, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
It doesn't really matter what I do because I am so spread out.
I am now connected.
Mm-hmm.
I am done.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh, Richmond. Helena, Salt Lake City, Sacramento, Phoenix.
Oh.
Okay, let me. Come on. Y'all gotta listen to this. I still needed to get to Boston.
Oh, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5.
Okay. Then I needed to get to New Orleans.
So
That's 3.
So
1, 2,
yeah.
3.
So you're at 8.
And then I needed to get to Medford, which is 2.
Which is 2.
You're
Yeah.
thinking.
Blub,
Yeah.
blub, 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 blub,
A glubby glub.
And I needed to get to Chicago, which is
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
That's 4 is the shortest route.
And also Seattle, 2.
4.
Yeah.
2, 6. Oh, you didn't quite make it.
Okay, I needed to get to Portland, which is 2.
Is that it?
Yeah, I got to Omaha, Bismarck, Memphis, and Winston.
That's bull. Cheesy garlic bread. Never had them.
Hannah said that they've had them out for a bit, but I've never seen them.
Oh, that smells good. I'm not gonna wait. I'll dive in.
I want to smell.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Not bad at all.
Nope. Kind of like au gratin on steroids.
Yeah. You taste the garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Not overpowering. Which she says that's
Yummy.
Brody. You want to say night-night?
No,
No, he shook his head no.
you can't have those, buddy.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us again today, and we'll see you on the next one.
Good night.
Bye.
Yesterday